I'm going to show you how to do a general export on your Papertrail account. First, go to the folder that you want to export from, and then you can edit what fields you want to see on your report. You do this by selecting the middle box in the top right hand corner, and I'm going to add the date of retirement. Now I have my information, I'm going to select the records. Now to create your report, click on the down arrow next to the inspection button, and then click on Print and Export. This is where you can choose a PDF or a CSV version of the report, and you've also got your advanced options. They include any checklists or if you want to include archived records in the report. Once you click Open, your report will generate and you'll get all the information of the fields that you selected, the frequency, the state of the item, who it was checked by, and the next check date. I'm now going to show you how to generate a report from tags. As you can see, my two top records have the same tag. When I click on those, it'll take me to all the other records that have the same tag. I'm now going to go through the same process of highlighting all those records and then generating a report the same way. Again, I get my options for a PDF or a CSV version, as well as my advanced options to include a checklist or any archived records. Once I click Open, this is where you can see the same report, but I have my tags involved this time. And finally, I'm going to show you how to create a report using filters. I'm going to use the Inspection Overdue filter. As you can see, there's 4 records in there. I'm going to select those 4 records, and then I'll go through the same process to create the report. Click on Print and Export. You can choose to have a PDF or a CSV version, as well as advanced options which include any checklists and any archived records. Once you click on Open, your report will be generated, but as you can see at the end, next check date, they'll all be out of date.